What's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna be doing a wig review, and this wig is from Lwigs. It came in the mail maybe like 2 days ago. Not 2 days ago, scratch that. It came in the mail, I think Saturday, and I didn't have a chance to like try it on or anything then, but I did open it up, and it came in this box, and it came with like this mask, I guess because I got it around Halloween time, rat tooth comb, 2 wig caps, and an elastic band to put on the back. The wig is a pre-colored wig, and it is a 18-inch, I believe, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on. So this is the wig straight out of the box. It's a blonde wig, and it has the black roots. It's pre-plucked. And it looks a little brassy to me, so of course I'm going to tone it. I'm not myself gonna do any plucking or anything to it because I'm gonna actually get it installed in my head. But I am gonna tone it with Tiwella T27 and T15. Usually I tone with Tiwella T18, but I don't want it as ashy as my other blonde wig that I have, just because I don't want to have them looking too similar, even though it is a bob wig. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I tone my wigs.
So I'm just gonna be using those 2 toners, and when you do toner, you're gonna do 1 part toner, 2 part developer, and typically I use 20 volume developer or 30 volume developer, and you just mix them in, and you're just gonna put it on, like cover the whole head and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes until you get this like purpley darkish color on the hair with the T-Well developer on it. You'll see on the video. Right here, I'm just washing out the developer, and I'm going to use my Shimmer Light shampoo. It is like a toning purplish shampoo. It gets rid of the brassiness as well. And I'm going to use my purple conditioner as well.